Hey guys, how's it going? So some new information that has to do with Acura that's getting a new feature in the coming months that I think you guys will really like. And it might explain why Acura has decided to discontinue the Acura Link in the older models. Kind of ties right into that. So let me go ahead and share exactly what they just announced. It's like I did a couple of weeks ago about the video where Acura announced they're pulling the Acura Link from cars from 2020 and older ones. Certainly there's like about 4 models that they're discontinuing it. I think they've already started rolling that out as of now. But this latest information that just came out might be the reason why they're doing it. So Apple just had their keynote conference that they do every year. And of course, they always talk about updates that they're doing to their phones and that kind of stuff. But they also talked about a new car-related feature that they're bringing. So if you guys never heard of Car Key that Apple has introduced a while back, and essentially what it is, an app from Apple that you can download and it'll do what your car key fob actually does. So you can download it and you can open and lock your doors with it and drive your car just with the built-in key fob on your phone through that app. So what's exciting for this is here's the 13 new car brands that Apple just revealed will roll out the car key in the future. Now, some of these brands you probably never heard of, and I haven't either, because they're not necessarily sold in the United States. It's just the 13 new car manufacturers that are going to introduce car key. And as you see, the first one, Acura, Cadillac, and then you got Chevrolet and GMC. Those are probably the main ones that you heard of. And you got Lucid, Porsche, Rivian, and the other ones I've never really heard of myself. But it's exciting because it means that you won't need like the Acura Link app to do what you can do through this app that Apple's got to introduce. So you could leave your key fob at home and just use your phone, to get in your car, remote start your car, and then drive your car as well. So it's one less thing to worry about, and everybody has their phones on them. So it's kind of exciting that Acura is deciding to, jump on board, because there's not that many domestic car companies on there, such as Honda itself's not on there. So it's nice that Acura is kind of taking that next step. It doesn't say exactly when it's got to roll out, but Apple did announce that these are the 13 car brands that will be getting that feature. So it's something to definitely pay attention to. And like I said, by them discontinuing the Acura Link on a lot of their vehicles, it kind of makes sense that they're going to adopt this as well, because it's something a little bit easier. I'm not sure if you'd have to pay for it. I'm kind of thinking you would if it's an app like that, because there's a lot of security measures involved, being able to, drive your car and stuff just with app on your phone. But I thought I'd like to share that with you guys. Thought it'd be pretty interesting, something to look forward to if you drive one of these vehicles. Again, it doesn't share exactly if all the Acura models will get it or just be certain ones. Nobody really knows that yet, but just some exciting news I wanted to bring to you guys. Maybe you guys find it useful. Hope everyone's having a good day out there. I appreciate it. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.